Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of some PlannerKate goodies. I had missed a new release, so of course when I was on the Etsy site I went ahead and grabbed the new releases that I had missed, and then in the box would be my June kits because I get the washi to go with that. So usually those ship in these bigger boxes. So if you're interested in seeing some of Kate's new releases and her June 2021 kits, keep on watching. Okay, I have everything out of the box and organized. If you are new to PlannerKate, your order will come, well actually not if you're new. All of your orders will come with this business card, but if you were new here, I wanted to share with you, make sure you pay attention to that because it has her coupon code on the back. You can use this PK Love 20 or Happy Place 20, and either one will get you 20% off of your order. This is 2 orders combined into one video, so I have quite a few of freebie samplers here, and some of them are new. So if you place an order with PlannerKate, you'll get 5 to 6 freebies in every order, which is super helpful. So you can try new stickers before purchasing the full sheets. And then I think I'm going to start with jumping into the June kits, and I will say this. I only purchased 2 of the 5 options because the other weeks in my planner I have been using kind of no kit. Just to show you what I mean by that is this previous week here, I didn't really use a kit. This was some washi from a kit, obviously, but all of this stuff as far as planning goes were not part of the kit. And then I'm doing the same thing this week with some Erin Condren washi at the bottom, and then filling in with some of my PlannerKate stickers, and I really like how those turn out. So that's why I only ordered 2 of the 5 kits for June. I'm gonna do some non-kit weeks, and then I did get the Father's Day kit and then one of my other favorite kits to fill in. So that should get me through June. However, I do always get all of the washi, and the reason I do that is because then I have the washi and I can just fill in with other PlannerKate stickers if I decide I want to do a spread with that theme. So I have the Flamingo washi, the Beach Day kit, the Father's Day washi, this floral kit, which is what I ended up getting for June, and then like this pineapple scaled print there. So I did get all of the washi. So let's take a look at the Father's Day kit, which was, let me find the end of it here. If you search MK-330 in the store, all of the sheets for this kit will come up. So I did pick up sheet C, which is the sampler kit. And I also picked up sheet B, which is the washi strips on sticker paper, not to be confused with the actual washi rolls. And then I got sheet A, which is the full box and half box sheet. This kit also had clip art. Not all of the kits do. This one did, so of course I picked it up. That's add-on 17 if the clip art's available. So you'd go to that drop down and click on 17. I also always pick up the EC vertical checklist sheet. She also has this for the horizontal and hourly Erin Condren planner, so make sure on the drop down you are picking whichever planner works for you. And then I got the add-on 6, which is the skinny washi, add-on 3, which are the date headers, add-on 4, which are the days of the week in the kit font with the Hello Weekend and then the colored dots, and then add-on 7 is the sidebar sheet, which has a full box, usually with some sort of wording or decoration, an ombre checklist, a day of the week checklist, and a habit tracker. And then I always get 2 of the add-on 8s, which are just the full box ombres. And add on 9, which are the event stickers, EVT stickers to match the kit. And add on 10, which are the patterned labels and half boxes. Add on 12, which are the skinny and regular appointment labels. And then lastly, add on 15, which are the scallops. So that was my first kit pick for Father's Day, of course. And then I'm going to do one other kit week in June, and I picked kit 328. So again, if you search that kit-328 in the store, all of these sheets will come up. So we have the sampler, and the full box, half box sheet, which is sheet A, and sheet B, the washi strips. This kit also had clip art. And this is what the vertical checklists look like. They're not just checklists though, because they do have those appointment labels and the basic labels and some other boxes down here. And then this was what the thin washi looked like for this kit. And then the individual headers and the scallops. And on this one, I did pick up the dot icons, which I didn't get for the Father's Day kit. And appointment labels, patterned labels, the EVT event stickers, and the 2 sheets of the full box ombres, the sidebar sheet, and then lastly the kit font, days of the week, and circle dots. So that was my other pick as far as kits go for June. And then the rest of the stuff I have to show you were things that I missed at her last new release. So Kate has also started offering black and white icons. It's a new line of icons. So if you search BW in the store, those will all come up. And so I picked up a few of those. These are the book icons. And then I also got sheet 15, which are the stethoscopes. You could use those obviously to mark doctor's appointments. And then sheet 13, which are the tooth stickers, obviously for dentist appointments, or if you have kids, it could be tooth fairy stickers. And then the next set I got were some of the EVT stickers. These are event stickers. And this is sheet 72, which says staff meeting. And obviously those are in the PlannerKate colorway. EVT 69 were the fill up stickers. And then 68 in the PlannerKate colorway pool day stickers. And then the last EVT sheet I picked up this time was 67 for boat day. And I missed these 2 earlier. These are part of the BW black and white icon collection. So this is sheet 12. My son goes to ninja class, so I thought these would be cute for that. And then sheet 11 are the crosses, so I could use those for small group or church or devotional time. She did have a new doodle girl out, so if you search PKDG, all the doodle girls will come up. And it looks like this for this sheet 47. And then I'm so excited about these. These are part of the QT or the quote collection, but they're all in these kind of quote speech bubbles, and they are super cute. I can't wait to use these in my planner. So this was sheet 50, and it says, "Yep, bad day." And then 49, "You can do hard things." So half the sheet are those larger ones, and then the other half are a little bit smaller. Sheet 48, "Okay, Monday, let's do this." 47 is "One day at a time." And 46 is "My brain has too many tabs open." So those were the smaller sized sheets. And then the rest of what I have to show you are the regular full-size sheets. And the first two are just refills. These are not new, they're old. Sheet S386, which are the half box scallops in the PlannerKate colorway. I'm just out of those, so I reordered them. Same with this sheet. I think these are third boxes. Appointment labels, S1262. And then we jump in to the new releases. Sheet S1644 are these tiny road stickers. And then 1602 are the updated laundry line stickers, which are really cute in the different colors there. And 1600 were these ribbon paper clips. And then, let me make sure here, we have sheet 1598, which were the updated pill bottles. Sheet 1590 are these bubbles and rubber duckies. And then the next set were part of the Doodle collection. So you have the option of a neutral colorway, which are all black and white, or the colorful version. So 1345 were the colorful cameras, and 1346 would be the neutral option. And then 1588 are the colorful TVs. And then following that, 1589 are the TVs in the neutral colorway. Next up, we have part of the Doodle boxes. And she has some other ones previous to this, but these are the new ones. S1671 look like this. They're just some fun black and white, different types of boxes that you could use to mark in your planner, obviously reminders or events or whatever you need to use them for. I really feel like I need to do a spread with just these types of black and white stickers, and maybe with those BW black and white icons. This was sheet 1668. 1667 looks like this. And 1666. And finally 1665. Next up, I'll show you these new dashed boxes. They're kind of appointment labels. Some of them have a colorful icon included. Some of them have just a black and white one, and some of them just have the font. So we can take a look through those. This is S1662 in the PlannerKate colorway that says "Don't forget." And then 1661 are the colorful meeting stickers. 1657 are these eyeglasses. They're all black and white. 1656 are the tooth black and white dash boxes. 1655 are the black stethoscope dashes. 1650 are the email stickers. 1649 are the call stickers. 1648 are the game stickers. And then 1660 are colorful savings stickers. And $16.59 are the colorful shopping trip stickers. And $16.58 are the currently watching. And those are colorful, obviously. $16.54 are the black and white dumbbells. $16.53 is the black and white running shoe. And then $16.46 are the homework stickers. And $16.45 are the church stickers. And then I did pick this sheet up in the kit font. It has Monday through Sunday, and it also has some of the date dots, and that's sheet 1664. Thought those would just be nice to have on hand. And then the rest of these are KF or kit font stickers, and when you go to order these, there are two sizes. One is a full-size sheet like this, and the other are the smaller sheets like this. So on that drop down, you can pick whichever preference. I just like the larger stickers, so I get the bigger sheet. This is KF12A that says "You are enough." So these are all kit font stickers. KF11 would be just "Breathe." KF10 was "Time to Clean." KF9, "Organize My Life," with a checkbox. Will we ever get to check the checkbox on "Organize My Life"? And lastly, KF7 are the inhale, exhale stickers. So that was like a really, really big order, but again, it was multiple orders combined. So the new releases and the June kits. If you guys have any questions about anything, please drop a comment and I'll help you out and try to find an answer for you. Thanks for watching and happy planning.